10 reasons against false alarms. Based on the standards of the international approval agencies, Detectomat moreover faces up to the technology challenge to guarantee a fast detection and to achieve a maximum immunity to disturbances in order to avoid false alarms. The addressable optical smoke detector PL3300O for the Loop 3000 system, according to EN 54 Part 7, is based on optimized optical measuring methods. By state-of-the-art analysis sensors and a long measuring track in combination with intelligent analysis logics, fastest detection is guaranteed. Reason 1 against false alarm. Increased operational reliability is achieved by means of a large metering chamber and the second measuring track for measuring the contamination of the detector. Due to this alternating measurement of the two measuring tracks, the current contamination state of the metering chamber is determined. Reason 2 against false alarm. An intelligent electronic analysis and compensation of the recognized contamination as well as a corresponding increase of the maximum tolerance value ensures that the detector, despite being used for several years and despite the deposit of contamination particles, maintains its initial sensitivity. The optical detector PL3300O reacts in an optimum way in fires characterized by a fast smoke development in the formation phase. This is documented by test fires according to EN 54 Part 9. Moreover, Detectomat offers the optical detector with special functionality for air ducts, PL3300OK. Reason 3 against false alarm. This optical detector furthermore includes special electronic settings in order to guarantee the fail-safe use in rooms and shafts with wind speed air currents of up to 20 meters per second. Under these extreme conditions, standard detectors are not able to detect in a reliable way and tend to false alarms. The addressable thermal detector PL3300T with rate of rise and maximum analysis for the Loop 3000 system, according to EN 54 Part 5, is based on highly sensitive thermal measuring methods. Reason 4 against false alarm. Two temperature sensors with fast and highly sensitive measuring accuracy analyze the ambient temperatures. Via intelligent algorithms, the detector can be operated according to the maximum, rate of rise, or combined analysis. Setting is done by programming different sensitivities. By this exact adjustment possibility to environmental conditions, the detector preciously detects in a case of a fire and excludes false alarms by means of several types of temperature measurements. The thermal detector PL3300T reacts optimally in fires characterized by a fast temperature rise in the formation phase. This is documented by the test fires according to EN 54 Part 9. The addressable multi-sensor detector PL3300OT for the Loop 3000 system, according to EN 54 Part 5 in Part 7, is based on optimized optical and thermal measuring methods. This detector is approved as a multi-criteria detector according to CEA 4021. Reason 5 against false alarm. The connection of optical and thermal measuring methods results in a higher resistance to disturbances. Apart from that, false alarms are avoided by measuring the smoke particles and simultaneously measuring the temperature change. Moreover, Detectomat offers the multi-criteria detector with a special function for recognizing carbon monoxide, PL3300COBT. Reason 6 against false alarm. High sensitive measuring of CO gas, the fire formation phase, in combination with the temperature measuring methods, the detector will, due to its high sensitivity, react extremely fast to smoldering fires. The multi-criteria detector has optimal reaction capabilities in smoldering fires and in fires that are characterized by a fast temperature rise in the formation phase. This is documented by the test fires according to EN 54 Part 9. The addressable optical thermal multisensor detector PL3300 OTI with intelligent disturbance suppression is approved according to EN 54 Part 5, 7 and 17. Reason 7 against false alarm. Due to the patented Umitech method for determining disturbances, several disturbances in the detector's vicinity can be determined and eliminated by means of a combination of highly exact optical thermal sensors. Disturbances similar to smoke, like for instance water vapor, cigarette smoke and dust, are suppressed. Reason 8 against false alarm. In case of fire, the detector is able to also include the marginal phenomena connected with the formation of a fire, like for instance water vapor particles and agglomerated smoke particles in the alarm decision, in addition to the usual optical and thermal measurements. Reason 9 against false alarm. A special teach-in mode enables the detector to automatically record certain periods and to then propose to the user its optimal sensitivity level. Thus, the best possible adjustment of the detector to the respective situation is ensured and false alarms are excluded and avoided to the largest possible extent. The multi-criteria detector reacts optimally in smoldering fires and in fires that are characterized by a fast temperature rise in the formation phase. In this connection, an even higher detection speed is achieved. This is also documented by the test fires according to EN 54 Part 9. The addressable optical thermal multisensor detector PL3300 OTI Fusion with intelligent disturbance suppression with fusion technology is approved according to EN 54 Part 5, 7 and 17. Reason 10 against false alarm. The fusion technology comprises highly sensitive measurement sensors recording all analyzable light wave range and considering this via an analysis intelligence for the alarm verification. By means of this unique technology, Detectomat has succeeded in developing a fire detector that is able to recognize smallest aerosols not lying within the detection range of traditional optical detectors and moreover detecting a range of white to black smoke in a very reliable way. Using the following test results, it can be clearly proven that the fusion technology of the PL3300 OTI Fusion is groundbreaking for a new fire detection technology generation. Here, the detection behavior of an ionization detector, black, a traditional optical infrared detector, red, and of the PL3300 OTI Fusion, white, is shown. The OTI Fusion detected the small smoke particles typical of a petroleum fire almost as fast as the ionization detector, i.e. almost 5 times faster than the traditional optical detector. In a smoldering fire, here presented by a wood test fire, clearly shows that due to its intelligent analysis, the new OTI Fusion detects fires much earlier than the ionization detector. Detectomat PL3300 OTI Fusion, the alternative to the ionization detector. The multi-criteria detector with fusion technology reacts optimally to all fires and can thus be used in all types of fire. This is also documented by the detection of all test fires according to EN 54 Part 9.